Alright guys, now that we have our YouTube channel all set up and optimized, we're going to want to connect it to an ADSENSE account so we can start making money from our YouTube channel. And you can do this by clicking on your profile picture on the top right and then going to your Creator Studio. And again, it might bring up the new version of the Creator Studio, and we can easily get back to the old version by going to More on the Other Features category right there. Now once we're in the old Creator Studio, we can click Channel on the left-hand side right here. And now, as you can see, it says monetization, this little box right here. We're going to want to click enable. Now, as I said, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to have monetization enabled, but we can apply for monetization before that, and then once you hit that milestone, it'll automatically put the ads on. And then once you hit that amount, your channel will automatically be reviewed and ads will be put on your channel and you can start making money. So to apply for monetization and make an ADSENSE account, we just click start. And then you can just read the YouTube terms of service and everything and then agree to it. And once you accept that term, now it's time to sign up for ADSENSE if you don't already have an ADSENSE account. If you already have an ADSENSE account, you can still click start and then link it to your old ADSENSE account and then just click next. And as you can see, this is the sign up page. And as you can see, this is the new sign up page for Google AdSense. So you can just select everything, select your country, review the terms of service, and then accept, and then just click create account. So I already have an AdSense account, so I don't need to make a new one here, but I'm just showing you guys how you do it. And then once you connect your AdSense account and everything, then once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you will be automatically reviewed, and then once you're accepted, you can start making money from your YouTube channel. So that's how to sign up for ads.